Okay, it's Friday, close to the end of May. I've got a new job, prep and paint this shed. So I'm going to use the pressure washer to do that. And then a couple other bits. Nice green garden here. Lots of stuff growing. The drain pipe has fallen down on this, so I got to put that back up there. And then I want to see why it's got a bare spot right there on that wood. And then over here, she wanted it painted, but I stuck my finger down here and it's pretty rotten. So we'll have to see how far that goes. And then down to the end, I want to do something with this door, the threshold, and all that stuff. And then up underneath, there's some bare wood for some reason. Underneath is that the soffit? Yeah, that's the soffit. Soffit. That's some bare wood. And then that's about it for this trip. So, pressure wash that shed. Look at this lovely stuff, isn't it? Oh, those are pretty. Very nice. Oh, just for the heck of it, these boots, I bought these boots because I had to have some personal safety gear to go to the skip, the local rubbish tip, on a commercial basis. I had to have a hard hat, I had to have these, and I had to have high-vis jackets. So I bought those, and thinking that was the only time I'd ever use them, besides maybe in the winter if it was snowing or something. But it turns out that these are really good for working on the ladder. They got a long, strong steel shank in the middle there, and it's really gives your feet a break. So if you're doing any ladder work and you're wearing lightweight hiking boots or something, then you might want to think about changing. So this is where I get on with the pressure washing, and let's just do a little bit. I like to get things good and wet and let it sit for a little bit anyway, if you can. I don't want to strip the paint off unless it comes off real easy. Just want to get the dirt off. Yeah, that's going to make a nice big job when we get done. We'll take off one layer, let it sit for a little while, come back again in a minute. Get over here to this bad part. I have to watch out for stinging nettle. I have a bad allergy, I think, for stinging nettle. The stinging nettle and stress. One of the two. But I have to be careful to stay away from stinging nettle. This garden doesn't seem to have very much. The radar's not very much. That board looks kind of rotten there on the bottom. Paint's starting to come off there a little bit. Okay, well, you know, I think you get the point, don't you? I'll see you later. The thing's wired open so it doesn't turn off.